During your first year as a homeowner, you should focus on learning your home's systems, creating a maintenance schedule, building an emergency fund for repairs, and tackling small fixes before they become expensive problems. Think of your house like a living thing that needs regular checkups, just like your body does. Most new homeowners have no idea where their main water shutoff valve is, and that is one of the most important things to learn in your first few weeks, because if a pipe bursts, you need to stop the water fast before it floods your home. Something not many people know is that your furnace filter should be changed every 1 to 3 months, and a dirty filter is one of the top reasons heating and cooling systems break down early. You should also walk around your home once a season and check the caulking around windows and doors, because small gaps let in bugs, water, and cold air, which quietly raises your bills. Try to save at least $1,000 specifically for surprise repairs, because something like a broken water heater or a leaky roof can show up when you least expect it. Keep a simple binder or digital folder with your appliance manuals, warranty information, and the dates you had things serviced. This makes your life so much easier when something breaks and you need to call for help. One common mistake is ignoring small issues like a slow leak under the sink, thinking it is not a big deal. Those tiny problems almost always turn into big, expensive ones, so fix things early. Another misconception is that new homes do not need maintenance right away. Even brand new homes settle and need attention within the first year, so do not skip your walkthroughs. A lot of people also forget to test their smoke and carbon monoxide detectors monthly, and that simple habit can literally save your life. If you need help with a project, search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.